Murmuration. What does it mean? The phenomena when huge flocks of birds in migration form shape shifting flight patterns is known as murmuration, a truly amazing wonder to behold. The phenomena gets phenomenal at about 50 seconds into the clip. Here, you see zero birds flying in different formations. Scientists tried to figure out how they fly like this without colliding with each other and concluded that this is only possible when each bird can do about 100 million. Yes, you heard it right. 100 million mathematical calculations in 1 second in order not to hit each other. One of nature's greatest and most fleeting phenomena. Nature never stops amazing us. Am I right? So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.